Now that you've completed round 8, you're ready to work 2 4-round repeats. Rounds 9 through 12 and rounds 13 through 16 are a repeat of rounds 5 through 8, which you just finished. For the most part, they are exact repeats. You'll see in the photo that these 2 repeated sections look identical to rounds 5 through 8. However, the granny stitch rounds, that would be rounds 9 and 13, are adjusted so that the granny stitches are spaced evenly across the side. The first difference is how the round starts. So in round 9, you'll be starting in the same stitch as the join. For round 13, though, you'll need to slip stitch over 2 stitches before you work the first granny stitch. This is all written out in the instructions. The other difference is in the number of stitches skipped. In rounds 9 and 13, pay close attention to the number of stitches you're asked to skip before and after each corner space and between granny stitches along the side. At the end of rounds 9 and 13, be sure to check your stitch counts for accuracy. The end result is the same, but these adjustments ensure that the stitches end up in the right place. When you've completed round 16, the square will now have a center spoked circle and 3 sections that look identical. Now that you've completed round 16, you're ready to add double crochet rounds. These rounds build the square out to its final size. From this point on, until you've finished the number of rounds indicated for your size, every round will be the same. Start each round with a stacked single crochet or a turning chain, whatever you've been using for the rest of your square. Then, work double crochets in each stitch across to the corner space. In each corner space, work 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. This specific number of stitches in the corner is important because it will keep your center square from bowing out at the corners. If you use more stitches, it will bow out. If you use less stitches, it will be too tight. Check your size in the pattern instructions for the number of rounds to complete. You can see here that for small and medium, you'll work through round 22. For large and extra large, you'll work through round 25. And for 2x and 3x, you'll work through round 28. When you've finished the last round for your size, fasten off and weave in the ends. Blocking will happen once you have the side extensions added to your square, so you don't need to do it now. Your center square is now complete. Time to add the extensions and build your square out to a rectangle.